To MathsMode, I'm going to go through a past paper that was done in November 2018. It was higher tier, paper 1. I'm going to go through question 2. I've gone through question 1 already in another video. So question 2 starts off with v squared equals u squared plus 2as. So we have u equaling 12, a equals -3, s equals 18. So this is given to us. Now they want us to work out a value for v. So let's see how we'll do that. Okay, so v squared equals, and then we have the u as value now, so we'll just pop the values in, squared plus 2, and then we have -3 as a, and s is 18. So we know that v squared equals, and then 12 times 12 is 144, and keep the rest the same since we'll do it stage by stage. Next step, 144 plus, so 2 times -3 times 18 is -108. So now we have v squared equals 144 plus -108 is just 144 minus 108. So v squared equals 36. So v equals square root of 36, which is plus or minus 6. Okay, let's look at B. It wants to make S the subject. So we have v squared equals u squared plus 2as. We want s to be the subject. So first things first, so because u squared doesn't have any s's with it, we can bring it to the other side. So it would be v squared minus u squared equals 2as. So we're just bringing this to that side. And whenever you go past the equal sign, you have to make it the opposite sign. So right now it's a positive u, so we made it a negative u. Next, we would want to split the 2 and the a from the s, since we only want s to be our subject. So v squared minus u squared divided by 2a equals s. Why is it a divide? Because 2a is multiplying by s, so the opposite of s, when you take it over the divide sign, the equal sign, it's going to be a divide. And that's your answer. Hope that helped. Thank you.